All right, everybody. I'm here to show a little bit of Canvas Chat. It's a different way of interacting with AI, and I built it as a tool to help me think better with AI. Now, one of the things I baked into Canvas Chat was actually this, the ability to do branched chats, and it really answers the question, what if you could explore two directions from the same core idea without losing track of either in a linear chat? And so here I have a question that I asked GPT-4o via GitHub Copilot. What are 3 ways to learn a new language? And of course, 4o gives me a few. Immerse yourself, use language learning apps and resources, and practice speaking regularly. So I can do a thing here where I go highlight this and ask a question. How can I do this on a budget? If I do that, AI will respond. AI is responding right now. I'm just going to lay this out nicely and hit Z to zoom over again. And so it's got that response there. Now double click to zoom out and I'm going to hit the letter Z again. And what if I wanted to explore this one and I want to ask, what are the differences between these apps? So that can happen too. All right. So then I can let me lay that out nicely. I have this over here. And so it's going down and doing that. All right, cool stuff. Then what's next? I might say, I want to now do a comparison between these two threads and compare the pros and cons of these two methods. And now AI is going to respond. So it's pros and cons of using language learning apps versus language immersion. And so that's going to take place over here. And in fact, I can go out and do a third one and ask, I want to do this, but I don't have native speakers around me. What can I do? And AI will go ahead and do that over there. All right. So it'll talk about like maybe AI bots or online language tutors and the likes. If I zoom out just a little bit, you'll notice the structure of what's going on. I've got these two threads over here that are connected to each other, but I've got this third thread down here that isn't. And so this allows me to explore multiple different angles off from the first node right over there on the left-hand side. It basically allows me to explore every direction, never lose a thread. Hope you enjoyed this. And if you are curious to learn more, I'm going to have a whole series on how Canvas Chat works.